Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing both devices, power on the TV, open the YouTube app, and make sure the TV is connected to your Wi-Fi. On your phone, connect to that identical Wi-Fi network and open YouTube. This is how they discover each other. If your TV supports quick pairing, enable Bluetooth on the phone now. Once done, make sure the TV input shows YouTube or Chromecast. This avoids delays when you initiate casting from the phone. You tap the cast icon in the YouTube app, then wait briefly for your TV's name to appear in the device list because discovery can take a few seconds. Select the TV and you'll see a connected status. Your phone now becomes the remote so you can cue, search, and control playback. Make sure to adjust volume either on the TV or with your phone controls. If you want multiple videos, add them to the queue rather than starting each separately to keep playback smooth. You finish by stopping casting through the cast icon or closing YouTube, and the TV will return to its normal screen. If playback stutters or drops, first reboot your router, reduce other heavy Wi-Fi usage, and move the phone closer to the TV to improve signal. Make sure both the TV firmware and YouTube app are up to date, and if pairing repeatedly fails, repair Bluetooth or fall back to a wired HDMI adapter. One key troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.